In this video, I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth capability issue in Windows. If your system is showing check Bluetooth capability detected, this video will help you fix it step by step. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first method is right click here start button and click here search option and type here services.msc in this search box. And after that guys, click here run as administrator and find here Bluetooth support service. Right click on it and click here properties. And after that guys, if here disabled, select here automatic. Only automatic select here and click here apply and then click here OK. This service should be running here. Restart it. This service should be running here. Okay, now close this window and now we are going for next method. Set your date and time properly. Okay, your date time should be your current date time. Okay, select here and close this window. Now we are going for next method. Right click here start button and click here setting, and after that guys, click here update and security option. So guys, your Windows should be up to date here. Install all Windows update here. Your Windows should be up to date here. Okay, now we are going for next method. Right click here start button and click here device manager option, and after that guys, you can see here there are no Bluetooth option. Okay, now click here action and click here scan for hardware changes. So guys, you can see here after scanning your Bluetooth adapter is displayed here. If there are no Bluetooth option displayed here, please install the Bluetooth driver on your system, because if Bluetooth option is not displayed here in this list, your Bluetooth driver is not installed on your system. So please reinstall the Bluetooth driver on your system. And after that, click here update driver and click here browse my computer. Let me pick, select this adapter, click here next. So guys, your adapter will be updated here. Now close this window. Now click here start button, click here setting. Now click here device, and if this option is off, turn on it. Your Bluetooth driver should be enabled here. Okay, and after that guys, click here start button and click here setting and click here update and security and click here troubleshoot option, additional troubleshooter, click here and click here Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. Click here. So guys, here your problem should be fixed here. Now you can see here your problem is fixed here. Okay, so guys, if you like this video and your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.